morning, squad. Now, I said in my Instagram story yesterday that the next time you see the vlog, it will be crispy because my new phone has arrived. Well, I haven't yet opened this phone because we haven't got a case for it. That was my rookie mistake. So later on, we'll sort that out. But it's a good morning because there's a delivery waiting for me downstairs, so I better hurry up. That delivery is a very special delivery, which we can't wait to share with you. Hopefully we can do that in this vlog. But we're also heading out. Where are we going, Viv? Where are we going?
We're going to the clinic to see a physiotherapist for my knee.
Did you hear that? We're going to the clinic to see a physiotherapist because Mrs. Bustle's knee has been niggling at her, so we better go get it checked out ASAP.
Yep.
Fat loss tip for today, we'll do that in the cab. Let's go and see what this guy's got. How you doing, boss? Good. How many boxes? 3? Alright, so I've collected the delivery. Sam is helping me take these 3 boxes to the lift. Thank you, brother. Yeah, I can't wait to show you guys what this particular stuff is. It's exciting. Hopefully I can show you today after Viv's appointment.
Okay, so today's fat loss tip is to eat more protein.
Yes. Now, protein has a higher thermic effect on food. What that means is it burns more calories than carbs and fats when being digested. And studies also show that you can burn an extra 80 to 100 calories a day by having a higher protein diet. So, fat loss tip for today, eat more protein.
Any pain with that?
No.
Good. ACL, PCL are fine. It's a little bit compressed at the back of your knee for sure.
How you feeling, Viv?
Okay.
You okay?
Yeah.
Just close your ears, okay? So just relax your head. Perfect. Good. There we go. And take a deep breath in. Breathe all the way out.
Wow. Wow. Like literally, I feel like he's just gonna start shooting at me. You're right there.
Just go to the side.
What does this release? When you hear that popping sound, what exactly is that popping sound?
So that popping sound is actually gas inside your joint.
Look at that.
Little nitrogen bubbles inside the fluid
Yeah.
that lubricates the joint, allows movement and nourishes the cartilage.
Yeah.
That gets distended and you get this little pop, and that's the nitrogen bubbles coming out of the
Wow. Okay, awesome.
solution. Knees usually get sore because your ankle's too tight or your hip is too tight, one or the other.
Okay, so are you happy with that result?
I am very happy. So it's something that is manageable. I just have to take extra care and also give some TLC to my ankles.
Yes. Now, again, those of you that have just started, suffering with any kind of knee pain or a little bit of niggles, if it's just something that started and it's not too painful, take Redmond's advice. Pay attention to those quads, your hamstrings, your calves.
Yeah.
Those are the key things to look at. Anyway, we better find a cab and head to the shops. We need to get me a new phone cover so that the vlog can be nice and crispy. Huh?
Oh yeah, and just another thing to note. Make sure just to get on it ASAP because the longer you prolong it, the worse it will get.
Okay.
And it
I
will
think that's
turn
a
into
taxi.
something else.
Is he?
Oh.
Oh, perfect. Taxi's here. Taxi's free. Right, we'll catch you in our next destination. Mike, I just want to go there. I just want to check this. Like, this is impossible. Let's see how long this is going to take. Anything in particular looking for, Viv?
Yeah, just the selfie with no on it. Can you see it?
Yeah, I can see it.
I usually quite like that. Can I get what's the name? Sugar Daddy. Sugar Daddy, yeah.
Wow, guys. So not only did it take her long, the nail varnish that she's picked up is called Sugar Daddy. Sugar Daddy.
Where's the money, Sugar Daddy?
So we are finally headed into Apple, and I'm not going to lie to you, this is probably one of the best Apple stores in the world. I'm going to show you the view of what it's like outside. You right there? With your little bop. Wait. Viv doesn't know the meaning of social distancing, guys.
Don't say that.
I'm joking.
You're distracting me.
Fair enough.
Are you having fun?
I'm having fun.
Being so close.
I think Viv's upset because we're not in Sephora straight away.
No, that's fine.
You sure?
Yeah, I want to get your case because I hate having your phone and we haven't opened it yet.
Yeah, it's true. These are the cases. I've got Pacific Blue. It doesn't really matter because it's going to go in the case.
The case, yes. Whatever you want.
So let's see what I'm going to go. So guys, it is a toss-up between clear
On the
case
outside, 'cause I can't read.
and black. So clear case, black, got to kind of make that decision. I prefer clear, Viv doesn't like clear, she prefers black. But I made a case of getting the Pacific blue.
But you can get the blue case.
What case? What blue case?
There's a blue one.
Yeah, but that doesn't match the colour. These are very different colours. So, I don't know if you can see that. So yeah. This is the view from the Apple store here in Dubai. Oh man, it's insane. If this part wasn't closed, I'd go outside and show you. And then, you know, in the evening when they do the fountain show, you're nice and close up. It's pretty epic. So this always happens. I came to the Apple store to pick up a charger and a case for my new phone. And guess who got jealous? This one. You got jealous, you got jealous. So she got jealous, and now what's she gonna do? Huh? She's now getting her own. Guys, you know, relationship advice. If you're gonna buy your stuff, buy it when your wife is not around. Yeah, that's my advice. Buy when she's not around. What do you want from Sephora?
An eyebrow pencil.
This was probably the quickest that we've been able to go in and out of the shop. Happy? Finney's Bakery, and my gosh, I'll tell you what it is that I love from here. Where is it? This croissant right here is the one. Yamanote croissant. It's got like cream cheese in it, custard cream. Do you want anything? Yeah?
How was the twisted donut?
It was nice, it was good. So we are back home from shopping. Right, we are going to do a Q&A tomorrow because it's late and we've got quite a few things to get through, including those boxes that we didn't show you. So tomorrow morning...
That's not your face. I don't know what the hand is.
Just so they know I'm here, if that makes sense. Right, tomorrow morning we're going to jump straight into a Q&A and talk you through what's in the magic boxes. Right, see you tomorrow. Okay, it's time to fire away with the Q&A. Now, it looks like I just woke up, and it's because I had a power nap, and I feel wonderful.
And I was dancing around listening to music.
She really was. She really was. Right, okay. First question, are you ready? Let's see. How many languages do you speak?
One.
It's true, we both speak one language.
I speak one language.
However, I can sing in French. I learned this at school. Ready? Ready? Bonjour, monsieur, bonjour. That's so rude. That's so rude. They're doing drilling downstairs. They heard I was about to sing in French. And they were like, no, I'm going to try it now. You ready, guys? Bonjour, monsieur, bonjour, madame, bonjour, mademoiselle. Je me présente, je m'appelle. It took an awfully long time for them to stop drilling, about an hour and a half. We lost the sunlight that was giving that glow. And they gave me a headache. But we're going to try and power through with 2 or 3 more questions.
Okay.
First one. Can you work out on your period? I wouldn't know.
He doesn't work out on his, but yes, you can. You can work out on your periods. Now, it may be difficult because the first couple of days are the most painful and also the heaviest, but if you can get your heart rate up to get your circulation going, that can help to reduce the pain. Now you can do this by going for a walk, a light jog, or doing a low impact workout or some stretches at home.
Yes, and if I was on my period, I will do what Viv sometimes does, and I will binge eat sweets.
Actually, I like chocolate when I'm on my period, yeah.
How many of you out there use the period excuse? It's that time of the month, I'm allowed, leave me alone. Anyway, that takes us to our next question,
That's just an excuse,
which is...
I just enjoy it.
Now, get ready for this next question. Is it okay to eat junk food? Now, I think we don't particularly like the term junk food, and if by junk food you mean some of your favorites, which happen to be highly calorie dense, then it's okay to eat it. Not all food obviously is made equal, and not all food is going to give you the right nutritional requirements that you need. But we don't necessarily believe in banning all foods from your life. Just eat intuitively and be wise. If you're trying to basically have a diet that's made purely of those junk foods, it's not going to do well for you.
No. You need the nutrition.
Yes. So, in moderation, essentially. Next question. Let's see if we can get through this. Can I basically tone up and lose fat at the same time? Can I tone up and lose fat at the same time?
Yes, you can.
Yes.
You definitely can. HIIT workouts are great for boosting your metabolism and giving you fat burn.
Yeah, boosting metabolism, fat burn, and giving you shape and definition so you can do the HIIT workouts.
Also resistant workouts.
There you go, I was going to say that.
Dumbbell workouts are awesome. And even workouts with resistant bands too.
Yes.
The dumbbell workouts and weighted workouts are awesome for really chiseling, strengthening, and building dense
lean muscle. So yes, you can do that essentially. I don't know why that took us so long.
Do you know what? I have like 1,000 thoughts at one time, so sometimes I have so many different things flying around in my head and they all want to come out at one time. So,
okay, so the answer was yes. And we would suggest start with our weighted HIIT workouts and see how you get on. We've got something magic, there's a box there that contains something we're releasing soon. And that's gonna aid in toning up your body and helping you lose fat at the same time. I'm not gonna have time to share it in this vlog, but I promise you on Friday, tune in and I'll share it. Right, next question. This is probably gonna have to be our last question. Do you dedicate your life to YouTube?
No.
We love YouTube. We're full-time content creators. Our business obviously comes first. Mr. and Mrs. Muscle is our business, so we deal with our programs, our products, our website, and trying to get back to all of you guys, which we love, and also all the videos that we put out for you guys. So that's where our full-time focus lies, but it's not just on YouTube. You can find us on Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, our website, and of course, YouTube, where you're watching us right now. That's it.
I thought that was the last one.
That was the last question. Like the next, there's a couple more questions, but it's going to take a long time to answer. So, going to try and sign this off quickly because it's been a very long day.
I was going to say,
Yes.
let's see how long it takes for him to do this today.
Right, ready?
I don't have a watch though.
I'll speed through this.
Okay, go.
If you liked the video, smash the like button. If you didn't like the video, smash the like button. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. If you're unsubscribed, if you are subscribed, rewind. If you liked the video, smash the like button. If you didn't like the video, smash the like button. If you're subscribed, hit unsubscribe and resubscribe. No, don't do that. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. We love you lots. Thank you so much for showing us the support that you always show us every single week. Keep smashing the workouts. If you haven't yet done yesterday's workout, go crush it. And be ready for tomorrow's workout. We tried, I tried, I succeeded. Tune in on Tuesdays and Fridays for BTS, which is behind the sweat.
I'm gonna cry.